Hey guys, it's your girl Truly Jam, and I'm coming back with another review on my Acer, the Acer Folio book. So I have been getting a lot of comments on if I still use it, how do I like it, and different things like that. I only have one problem with it. Oh, excuse my nails, guys. I only have one problem with it, but it's a fixable problem. Um, This book does not come with any USB ports. Yeah. So that's one side, and this is the other side. It doesn't have a USB port, but it does have a C port, whatever you call it. So you can easily get this and stick it. Oh, is that the hole? I don't think. Is it? I don't think that's the hole. It's on this side, but stick it in the, where is it? The C port right here. And then you have an external USB port where you can plug in USBs, mouses if you want to. So yeah, that's one of the things that I really didn't like about this, but it's doable. So, let's get started with this review. Now, I have been playing with this thing. I've been doing a bunch of projects. I've been making a lot of decals with it, and I love it. So, first of all, let me back my camera up a little bit so you guys can see it, the full effect of it. So, this is it. I love it. I don't know if you guys can see my camera, but it's crazy. You turn it on the side over here, and it's super fast. Did I hold it long enough? Yeah. Okay. It's super fast. I love it. I have had no problems with it. Like I said, the only thing about it is the C port drive. You would have to get an external USB port, but I love it. As you can see, it came up super duper fast. I'm going to put my passcode in, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, I got it on caps lock. And I love that it's touchscreen too. So as you can see, I was working on a project. Hold on. As you can see, I was working on a project, and I did it all. So yeah, this thing is super cool. It's super fast. It doesn't lag or anything. And it's great specs for anybody that's like a designer. They have this designer studio. I'm going to go out of here because I'm done. This is to my silhouette cameo. I was doing some decals. Okay, so this is my home screen. The editor that I use is this one because it's a good editor. So yeah, let's see. What did I want to show you guys? Oh yeah, the design. Where do I go? For they have like a sketch pad thing, like where you can use with your pen and stuff like that. I'm not connected to the internet right now. The pictures are sick on here, like when you're like when you have pictures. I'm just gonna make this big. That's my son. I have my little ring light on my Canon T3i. So that's what you're seeing in the picture. But yeah, the picture quality is like great. That's my son, yeah. I went and took pictures with my camera down at the beach. It's my other son. That's my nephew. Yeah, but I love it. I love how it folds down. As you guys know, you can have it like this. This is easy to work with the pen. It also comes with the pen. I rarely use it because what I needed this for was for my business purposes, as in doing design stuff and things like that. So that's mostly what I use it for. I really don't use it for the internet either unless I'm picking out something or something. But yeah, you guys, this is great. I'm loving it. I don't know what else to tell you guys about it. It's a great buy for the price. It was like 200 and something dollars for the price of this computer. It's great. I haven't got any viruses, but I don't accept anything. I don't download anything. So that's one way to stay away from getting virus. Whenever it pops up, you want to add this on, you want to add this on, push no, 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 and you would not have that problem with virus and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, this was a great buy. If it ever messes up, I will buy it again because for the price, I love it. But another thing is that I thought that this had a backlit keyboard, but it doesn't. I was really wanting a backlit keyboard. I was trying to type in all of the things that I want and see what comes up when I was looking for computers, like trying to buy a computer. But this has had everything I wanted except for the backlit keyboard. But it's fine. A backlit keyboard is something you want to use, especially if it's nighttime and you want to see the keys. So I think they had one that was the backlit keyboard because I thought that this was it, but it wasn't. But I don't regret the buy. I love it. It's great. Anybody that wants to buy one, I encourage them to do so because this laptop is the best. It's so sleek. It's so beautiful. It's fast. You don't have long to wait, like for your stuff to load up. It's just the way they designed this. It's just so beautiful. I would not trade it for anything. I love it. I love it. It's the best, guys. Yes, so y'all want to know what I thought about it? That's what I think about it. So if you guys want to rush out and get one, you won't be disappointed. I'm telling you, it's fast. You don't have to wait. There's no lagging. I love it. Excuse the background, guys. But yeah, you guys, have a blessed day. Bye.